Hi, my friends. Many friends asking me this lottery Emirates draw is fake or not. Friends, it is not fake lottery. Just need do some efforts for this lottery. This is the new lottery. It has great chances to win a jackpot prize in this lottery. In this video, I will give you some powerful numbers for the upcoming draw, which is drawing on 30th April. If you are participating on this draw, then these numbers will help you in your selection of numbers. I divided the 7 numbers in two parts. Number one is you should select two numbers from these 4 numbers. These numbers have great chances to come, and remaining 5 numbers you should select from these numbers 1, 2, 6, 9, 21, 24, 27, 12, 16 and 17. Friends, these are total 14 numbers. 5 numbers you need to select if you like from here and 2 numbers from here. The 3 serials between 30 to 37, according to my research, is less chance to come on this draw. Many friends contacting me for the free prediction or free numbers. I always mention here, only contact me for the membership. If anyone want the membership, want my services for the every draw, only who can contact me on my WhatsApp number. So again, I am telling you, don't contact me for free prediction. I am giving the free prediction on my this channel, Emirates Loto Winner. Good luck and goodbye.